make it. Barbados. Jamaica.
Oh, I know what country. Do you want me to say it? It's in this one country.
20. You.
No.
Let's confuse them. We confuse them. Everybody at the same time going on the
I gotta be all at the same time.
So we all gotta be.
Okay, look. Y'all go pee and we come back.
Okay, I'll go. Where's your bag?
You see my shit up front?
Dang, where's the healing?
Is this when you doing the one shit? When you jump over?
Oh, we were gonna do that. We did not end up doing that.
You landed, motherfucker, rock.
This is cute. This is cute. The other option is this, but I don't like this one that much. I say this one or this. This one's cute. This one or this one.
I'm going to control what you can't control. So
What are your thoughts on that?
honestly, it's actually, I think honestly, if you can't control it, it is what it is. You get me?
Where are you heading to?
I'm heading to Chicago.
You're going to Chicago. All right. And what's your name?
But it can go both ways.
She's waiting on him to propose.
We got the Zoom. We got the Zoom brand.
She's cheating.
Brand. And
Type shit.
Damn it!
I heard something like
But
that.
that doesn't mean
You
the
think
girl
I
would be
saw
cheating. But what if he doesn't propose?
See, that's why I need my socks,
And
man.
he can't make that commitment.
I mean,
go shop. Link down below. I'll link it down below.
shop, go shop. Actually, don't come shop, bro. We're all out. You guys waited too long.
Wait for the next drop. Follow them on Instagram.
Tight.
Their stuff is actually good.
Tight. Hey, look at this shit.
Look at it.
Hey, listen. I never watched this shit even one time, and my shit still flee here. Don't watch them. Cut it out.